Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little bit. It's in Alabama.
This is not Alabama. We had to put on chains. I don't see a lot of people with chains, but I think a lot of them have like 4-wheel drive.
He's got a trailer.
Yeah, he's got a trailer too. So we're just trying to go slow. Cars going though. Yeah. Still the same road as the one we were taking. What's that noise?
I don't know. I was gonna ask you. Ice?
I think so.
We gotta come into Breckenridge the south way.
We're going the south way?
Maybe this is.
So our what is that? Is that the snowplower?
Going the other way. Are we still the right way? What is that saying? How come it? What's going on with you?
We finally met up with the snowplow. Thank goodness. And the roads are, I don't know, sketchy out here.
Sketchy is the word. No, I can't hardly see.
Yeah, I can hardly see it. We can't stop.
I can't see. It's just the wind.
Can you see these lines? Because I can see the lines.
You better stay with me.
Alright, that was a 2-lane road. Now it's a one-way kind of thing, like it's getting dicey right now. We're still going down the hill, slight right. Pay attention to those signs too. Oh, I was paying attention to this, trying to give Dad directions on where to go. It is so low visibility out here. It's fogging up right here. We're gonna have to reload on the spray. We're all stressed. It's nerve-wracking. You can't see anything. And there's at least 8 people behind us. So this is what we have been using, and one of the links, one of those things fell off. So I had to repair it, and we just now decided to take it off, and they are so hard to take off. Like, it's hard. And it's cold outside, it's windy, and no one else has chains. I mean, they're all 4-wheel drive, but I mean, we got front-wheel drive, but it's just miserable out here. It's scary. Sketchy. Very sketchy. So, but we're making it. Hopefully we'll get there in about 2 hours. Consistent stress. That's how I explain it. So, Dad's been nervous almost the entire time. You know, we had the idea of just staying back down in Denver, but we just decided since the shuttles are running, we might as well go. So, we couldn't really stop while we were going. It's really hard to stop when you have enough momentum to keep going. It's nerve-wracking though. It's rough. There we go.
Oh, now. There's too many people.
Yeah, hazards.
Oh, yeah. kidding me?
Wow. I'm glad I got done with the stuff.
Are you kidding me?
Can't see anything. This is the Rockies. It is enormous. I would say it's like the Grand Canyon for the snow. But there's no sand. Dirt. Just straight up mountains of snow. Trees. Literally, it's arc. Whoa.
Yeah. Make sure you're looking and guiding.
Ooh, Christmas tree lights. Those are actual Christmas trees. Oh, they're all Christmas trees. Look at that. That's so cool. That's what we should have had.
Yeah.
But there's Steamboat. Woot woot.
All right, call your mom.